Cube Call Recording is an Android application that allows users to record phone calls and VoIP conversations with ease. Designed for both personal and professional use, the app provides a straightforward interface that enables users to capture audio from incoming and outgoing calls across various platforms, including WhatsApp, Viber, Skype, and more. Key features of Cube Call Recording include high-quality audio recording, the ability to automatically record calls based on user preferences, and options for manual recording when needed. Users can easily manage their recorded files, with options to categorize, rename, and share recordings via email or messaging apps. The app also offers a playback feature, allowing users to listen to their recordings directly within the app. Cube Call Recording prioritizes user privacy and security by providing options for password protection of recorded files, ensuring that sensitive conversations remain confidential. Overall, this application is an excellent choice for individuals and professionals looking for a reliable solution to manage and archive important conversations effortlessly.